Hey guys, this is John from Shipman Farms, and today summer is officially back in Texas. It's 103 degrees and it is hot and the garden is cooking. So instead of gardening, we're going to take a break today. And our friends at New Air sent us a little present, so we're going to try it out because today's the perfect day. Alright guys, I'm going to do a review on this New Air fan, and let's get to it. And I'm excited today because we're going to review a product called New Air. It's a misting fan, and I think it's going to work perfect for Texas. Probably any of the southern states that get as hot as we do. And I want to be able to test this product out and let you guys know good, bad, and where you can get it from. And I'll put a link below, and we'll even put a little discount code below that'll help you guys out. So we're going to set this up, but right now we'll just unbox it, see all the parts and pieces that we got, how hard it is to assemble, and probably by this afternoon will be a good time to test it. So let's go ahead and just put this thing together. It looks like it's going to be relatively simple. So it's got a little area here, it looks like, to hold the cords. So that just pops off. Looks like you unscrew that. And looks like the wind is taking stuff away. Alright, so drop your bolts in. And then you'll put your nuts on from the other side. And you can see it's got a weighted plate down here, which should keep this fan from tumbling over. And this metal's pretty thick too. Alright. Tighten those down, and so I'll tighten these down and then I'll come right back. Alright, so we got these screws in, and we're going to put our cover plate on. Alright, and we can clip that back on. We'll go ahead and pull up the center insert. Screw that back down. Alright, and we've got the stand built, and it looks like the fan just actually has these little pins that pop right in there. But first I'm going to go ahead and cut all the ties on the cord. This will be easier to do now. But guys, this is seriously very, very simple to put together. And the instructions were very short and clear. So I think you'll be very happy with that. So go ahead and just pop this on here. There we go. Kids are cooling off in the pool. Hey guys, I don't always have time to jump in the pool to cool off here in Texas, so this fan, the New Air, since working out really good on our patio. Adds a little wind on some of these days that we don't get as much wind as we usually do. So just really can't get any better than this. Maybe you can. Well, that's a little bit better. New Air's got 5 misters on it, and I've got them turned on low. I'll turn them on high in a second to show you what they can do. But if you're sitting too close, you're just going to keep them on minimum. They can really throw some water in the air. If you live in a dry area, you could probably really turn these up and it'd cool the patio real quick. But I'll turn them up and just let you see real quick how much water they can put out. But I warn you, if you're in a humid area, you're probably going to need some swim trunks if you're sitting too close, because this thing will really put off some water. Hey guys, you can see right there, that's on full, how much water that New Air misting fan can really put out. Now I warn you, if you're sitting too close, you're probably going to get wet, but if you're just hanging out on the patio and you really want to cool off on a hot day, especially if you've got a dry environment, this thing would really help out. Anyway, I'll put the link below, and also they offered a discount coupon for our viewers, so I'll put that code below as well. Like I said, if you just want a nice fan for the patio, works great. The mister, you'll have to keep it on really low if you really want to sit close to that thing. But other than that, love this fan. It's heavy duty. Seems like it's really nicely made. So recommend that, with just the warning that this thing really does put out some water. Alright guys, good luck. And just like to throw a shout out and say thanks New Air for the fan. We appreciate it. And hope you guys' business goes well.
Thanks for watching our video, guys. If you like that, give us a thumbs up. You'll find more videos over here, and subscribe down here. Bye bye. See you next time.